Ducati didn't announce this. A government agency did. Buried inside a routine filing with the California Air Resources Board, CARB, is confirmation that a new Panigale V4 SP is coming for the 2027 model year. CARB certified the entire 2027 Panigale V4 lineup back in March. Then, in July, Ducati quietly filed a revision adding two new models, an SP variant and a Ducati performance version, which historically has usually meant a louder, more expensive exhaust installed by the dealer. That's it. That's all that has actually been confirmed: a filing, a date, and the model names. The 2027 Panigale V4 SP will use the same 1,103 cubic centimeters V4 engine as the rest of the Panigale lineup. That's listed in the filing. Beyond that, there's no official information about performance, horsepower, or engine tuning. The previous generation followed roughly the same formula. A dry STM Evo clutch replaced the standard hydraulic unit, along with adjustable billet foot pegs, a brushed finish aluminum fuel tank, carbon fiber wheels, a lighter chain, upgraded Brembo brakes, and Ducati Data Analyzer Plus logging as standard equipment. A reasonable prediction? Absolutely. But it's still a prediction, not an official specification. Nobody at Ducati has confirmed that any of those components will appear on the 2027 model. And this is where things start getting genuinely interesting. Before this filing appeared, Ducati's Panigale V4 lineup was already getting pretty crowded. There's the standard Panigale V4, the V4S, V4 S-Course, V4 Tricolor, Marquez Championship Replica, the extremely limited V4 S100, and the race-homologated V4R, which starts at around £39,000 before you add a single accessory. Putting an SP version between the V4S and V4R doesn't necessarily mean Ducati is filling a gap in the market. They may simply be filling a gap in the price ladder. And that's something completely different. Every SP model, every Anniversario, and every limited run special edition essentially performs the same job. They give existing owners a reason to upgrade while giving dealers another new SKU to sell, without Ducati having to engineer an entirely new motorcycle. The basic engine doesn't change. The frame doesn't change. What changes is the trim level and the price that comes with it. That doesn't necessarily make it dishonest. The hardware upgrades are real, and riders who regularly hit the track will tell you that carbon fiber wheels and a dry clutch can make a genuine difference. But it's still worth asking the question out loud. Does the motorcycle industry's obsession with creating more and more variants actually benefit riders, or is it simply about protecting profit margins in a market that is facing broader sales pressure? So far, we still don't know the price. We also don't have any official photos. And there's no confirmed launch date, other than the expectation that Ducati will introduce the model as part of its World Premiere Series alongside its other 2027 motorcycles this fall. So for now, all we really have is a government filing and a whole lot of speculation based on the information available, speculation that is then packaged and presented as news.